You need to hear this if you're looking for a flexible side hustle. Guess what? Teaching English online might be your new gig. Teaching English online has become a popular way to earn some extra cash. You don't need to be a certified teacher or even speak another language. All you need is a bachelor's degree and sometimes a TEFL/TESOL certification. Platforms like VIPKid, QIDS, and Education First connect you with students from countries like China. These platforms provide the curriculum so you can focus on teaching. The best part? You can do it from anywhere with an internet connection. The pay can be pretty decent too, with rates around $22 an hour. That's right, you can make an extra buck while staying comfy at home. Plus, the hours are super flexible, making it a perfect side hustle. So if you're a native English speaker with a bachelor's degree, why not give it a shot? Check out sites like VIPKid and QKids to get started. Making money has never been this easy or flexible. Ready to dive in? Start your journey teaching English online today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tips on making extra money. Now go get 'em!